What have you learned about technologies from the process of constructing this product? When filming media, we didn't have any problems with the video camera or equipment, even though when we was using a basic DV video camera and tripod. We made sure before we went out filming that we had enough space on the tape we was recording onto and took spare battery with us just in case they ran out. But luckily enough, we had enough battery for the 2 hours it took us to film. We also took an ordinary camera to capture images of the setting, and this could be used for evaluations and, if necessary, to add into our footage for a still shot. As there are 4 members to my group, it did take us a long time to decide, and we was all three to film it, and we finally decided to film it one evening after school and took the risk of what the lighting was like through the video camera, as it was night time and dark. We were lucky and the footage did come out well and didn't look too dark. It actually helped add the eerie effect of the footage. The problems we had with our project came after we completed the filming and begun to edit. It took us 3 attempts to upload our footage onto the computer as the frames kept dropping. To resolve this, we had to split our footage into half. We learned we were trying to upload too much footage at the same time, and the computer and the software server couldn't take it. After filming, we ended up having around 1 hour of footage and had to split it into 2 half-hour clips. When we finally uploaded our footage onto Serif Movie Plus and started editing it, the computer and Serif program itself kept freezing and slowing down, which made it really hard for us to edit. We found out the problem for making it jump was the amount of footage we'd uploaded at the same time into one timeline, and this meant that the sound wave couldn't load properly.
We used After Effects for all the beginning titles, JAGM Productions, at the very beginning, and all of the names used. All of the titles mirrored the main theme of Music Box. The white wave objects moving across the screen mirrors the establishing shot of the train coming onto the platform as they are both moving across the screen at the same speed and in the same direction. The effect used for the names is called Bullet Train, and this reflects the train moving, so this also reflects the main theme of Music Box. We got all of the sound effects from freesound.org, which only lets you download small sound effects and small files, except the main theme tune, which was obtained from Dear Lambo, which lets you download full songs, i.e. bigger files. We used these websites as they were very easy to download music from and had all the sound effects we needed. All of these programs and websites are one of which we have never used before. Through the process of editing Music Box and constructing our finished media product, I've learnt many new techniques and ways of editing by using different programs.